Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts. I'm working with wire today, so let's get to it. I have my 12 gauge aluminum wire, my shape mandrels, my wire cutters, round nose pliers, hook nose pliers, 22 gauge wire, my hammer, my steel block, and a bracelet to shape my cuff. I also have my plastic blocks that I may use, and some beads. Okay, let's get going. I'm leaving my wire on the spool because this is a very organic piece and I'm not sure how much wire I'm going to need for my design. I wanted to put some beads on my bracelet, and I went through all the gyrations of wiring these beads onto the bracelet. And then when I got them on there, I didn't like it. I didn't like it. So you're going to see me taking these beads off. But that's a part of design. You know, if we don't like it, we can always undo it. I decided to just add some jump rings to stabilize the bracelet a little bit more. So that's what I'm doing here is I'm making a few jump rings, and I'm going to add them at various places in my bracelet to hold it together. Well, this is what we have. I'm pretty happy with this. If you like this video, please like, share, leave me a thumbs up, comment. Please subscribe if you haven't. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.